Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have on store for this week that might impact stocks and bond markets. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management. Lower markets last week across the board as the Dow Jones was down 1.7%, S&P down 1.4%, and NASDAQ was down 1.4% as well. So broke a trend of up markets for the second quarter, but we're still seeing strong markets for Q2 as well as year to date across the board, with NASDAQ stocks being the biggest beneficiary so far. In the bond landscape, the 2-year Treasury currently is at 4.72%. The 10 years at 3.7%. So we've got just over a 1% inversion, with the 2-year yields being higher than the 10-year. Like I said in previous market mashups, that this is not normal in the bond lands, and any type of inversion where the shorter end is higher than the longer end usually leads to economic slowdowns and recessions. So we're not seeing a change there. This has been going on for quite some period of time, and pay attention because, like I said, it's something that as history suggests to us, will lead to really some economic or recessionary environments. We do have some data points coming out this week. We have new house sales coming out on Tuesday. Q1 GDP is coming out again on later this week, and the PCE inflation data will be out on Friday. So pay attention to that, because it's always a gauge that the Fed will look at as they determine their interest rate policies and their forecast for inflation going forward. We do have Fed Chair Powell speaking on Wednesday and Thursday this week. So see if there's anything new that comes out of his statements, just to see if there's any changes from what he had talked about at the last board meeting that they had, or in recent conversations that he had with Congress in terms of on a Q&A front with interest rates, inflation, and Fed policy decisions. So pay attention to that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Website www.gencapmgmt.com. Our team is ready to answer any questions that you might have. Take a look at your portfolios, give you a second opinion. Just make sure that your portfolio is allocated to meet your goals and objectives and risk tolerances. It's always important just to make sure that everything is on track in the shorter term to meet your longer term goals. So our team is ready. Feel free to reach out to us. Take a look at our we have on our website. We do have John's top tips and other financial planning items on there that you can take a look at to help you out, in terms of financial planning guides. It does a great job. Happy to help out any way we can. So once again, feel free to reach out to us. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.